The 2026 Volvo XC90 continues to stand as a symbol of Scandinavian luxury in the world of mid-size sport utility vehicles. This model carries forward Volvo's long-standing philosophy of designing cars that feel elegant, intelligent, and reassuring from the moment you see them. While many competitors highlight bold styling or aggressive performance, the XC90 chooses a more timeless approach. It offers a peaceful and confident presence shaped by clean lines, a strong stance, and a design language that focuses on simplicity rather than unnecessary flashiness. The result is a vehicle that appeals to families and everyday drivers who want refinement without complications. Beyond its appearance, the XC90 builds its identity around comfort, technology, and safety, forming an experience that aligns closely with Volvo's core values. Pricing for the 2026 Volvo XC90 begins at $62,345 and can climb to $74,645 depending on the chosen configuration. Volvo allows buyers to customize many aspects of the vehicle, from interior materials to seating layouts and performance levels. Among all available versions, many experts consider the Plus trim with the V6 engine to offer the best balance of features and value. This model produces 295 horsepower and comes with a 7-passenger bench seat that maintains comfort while avoiding the higher cost of captain's chairs. It blends space, luxury, and efficiency in a way that suits families searching for a premium driving experience without unnecessary excess. Beneath the hood, the 2026 XC90 provides 2 engine options, each based on a turbocharged 4-cylinder layout. The V5 engine delivers 247 horsepower, while the V6 uses both turbocharging and supercharging to raise output to 295 horsepower. Both powertrains are paired with a 48 VD hybrid system that supports smooth acceleration and improved efficiency. An 8-speed automatic transmission sends power to all 4 wheels, giving the XC90 a stable and confident feel on the road. Although it is a larger vehicle, the steering remains precise, and the overall balance inspires trust. Models equipped with the optional air suspension glide comfortably over uneven roads, creating a quiet and composed ride, though very sharp bumps may still be felt. In terms of acceleration, the XC90 V6 travels from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds, while the V5 completes the same run in 7.3 seconds. Speed is not the main focus here, but the XC90 delivers enough strength to handle daily driving and highway merging with ease. Towing ability is also notable, with the V6 engine rated for up to 5,000 pounds and the V5 capable of pulling as much as 4,000 pounds. These ratings make the XC90 a confident partner for towing boats, small trailers, or outdoor equipment. Fuel economy data for the 2026 model year has not been officially published yet, but past results remain promising. The 2025 version achieved up to 23 miles per gallon in the city, 30 miles per gallon on the highway, and 26 miles per gallon combined. In real-world evaluations, the XC90 V6 successfully matched its highway rating, showing that Volvo's estimates tend to reflect actual use. Inside the cabin, the XC90 provides a calm and welcoming atmosphere inspired by Scandinavian design principles. An 11.2-inch infotainment screen powered by Google's Android Automotive System comes standard, along with a 12.3-inch digital instrument display. Every model includes Google Maps, Google Assistant voice commands, and Apple CarPlay. Audio begins with a 10-speaker system with the option to upgrade to Harman Kardon or Bowers & Wilkins for those seeking a more immersive sound experience. Overall, the 2026 Volvo XC90 offers a complete blend of comfort, craftsmanship, technology, and day-to-day usability that defines modern luxury motoring.